Hi everyone, so in the last video I showed you how you can create a WooCommerce app for your store. In this video we're going to talk about how to actually connect Stripe and start using some of the payment providers so that you can actually accept payments within the template. So to get started, what you need to do is head over to WooSignal and we're going to, right on the landing screen actually, you should have this connect button with Stripe. So if you tap this, it's going to take you to like an authentication screen, and just select the account I guess you want to link this to, and hit connect. If you haven't already created a Stripe account, obviously you'll need to do this. But yeah, once that's finished, you should have online here. So the next stage is to head back over to Stripe actually, and you're going to want to head to this developers part and API keys. So inside here we've got this thing called publishable key, and we have like a test one. As you can see, test data at the top, and we have a live one. So for this I'm just going to show you how to accept test payments. So I'm going to copy this and head back over to the app, and inside here this config file, I'll just show you on the side, this label core file, we've got this thing called Stripe publishable inside the config file. So you're going to want to just copy and paste the value that you copied previously and just hit build, and we should see once it's all built, that's quite quick. Let's see, it will just load the store as normal, but you'll now be able to start actually accepting payments. So if we go to our cart, sorry you can't see that, there we go. On the side we've got like our cart here that we've added some stuff and just added some details. So you'll see that debit card or credit card is selected. I'm just going to add a shipping address and proceed to checkout. So one thing I should also note actually is this card part here. You'll need to use one of Stripe's test cards, so it's quite straightforward to know the card. So you can head over to here and just click this Stripe test cards, and obviously this is just for testing cards. As you can see here, do not use in live integration, but I'm just going to use this test one for a Visa. So we can head back over, so it's 424242 242, and let's see, 11 21. Okay, so if I hit done, we should yeah, alright, cool. So processing payment, and as you can see, it's that easy to start accepting payments with Stripe. If you want to go into like a live environment, what you'd need to do is to change this to your live one. So you head back over to the dashboard and switch this from test to live, and just copy the same key and then paste it back here. And then you'd also have to go back over to WooSignal and just untick this box, and you'll see it go into live. So that's the only thing you would have to do. If we do head back over to Stripe though, you'll see that on the dashboard, we've made some sales, so you can see that that's all working too. If you need any help or support, feel free to get in touch. We're making some more videos on other integrations. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.